Alright guys, this is Mosha. I'm doing this video, I haven't done a video in a long time, from Mosha's Reggae Lounge in the Dominican Republic. And I must remind everybody that this is the first and only authentic Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. I've been here since the end of October 2010. When I was packed up and left the States, I was the first brother, what if you want to call it that came here, other than Big D, to do this. Then everybody started following. So I got some people here from New York, very energetic people, that I want to see what they have to say about the food. Now a lot of people go all over the place and they buy oxtail here, they buy jerk chicken there. But if you want real taste, come and try what I got to offer. And don't watch the hype. You may pass my business and you don't see it's packed in here. But if you do your investigation, the right spirit will send you in the right direction. So I have some people from New York. Where in New York you guys from?
The Bronx.
All right.
From Brooklyn.
So they're from the Bronx, yep. and they are Dominican. So they come here for the first time. Very good energy, great people. I mean, and when she tried the oxtail,
Make sure this is the first place you stop.
Yeah, I'm gonna come to you, make you blow them up.
Sorry.
No, you can speak.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Sorry.
I want you to get your full blown potential time. So you go all over the place and you buy oxtail there. You go over there and you say, oh, this is that and that's good and this is expensive, but you get what you pay for. Now, since I spoke about oxtail, I'm gonna let her tell you. What is your name, sweet lady, pretty lady?
Kimberlyn.
Her name is Kimberlyn. And so tell the people about you tell them whatever you want. There's no holding back. You say whatever you want.
See, I'm fucking this shit up.
You hear what I say? Don't be afraid.
Just run, don't walk. Forget the plane, run, swim.
Look, so she have tell them look the oxtail.
Devouring it.
And she said to me, she said, this is real oxtail.
Real oxtails. I needed that hug.
Yeah, I think
I felt it and
you
felt it in my
the spirit.
veins.
See that?
In the spirit.
There you
Amen.
go. So there's a lot of people here that try to cook oxtail. They take advantage of oxtail because it's a popular Jamaican dish. Guys, not because you see somebody say Jamaica or oxtail, it's any
Period.
This is proof right here. And I have many more. You hear what she said? She said it. I didn't even say it. Now we're gonna come to the second beautiful lady. So we got one with the oxtail. And now we have number two.
Amelie.
She had the jerk chicken. What is your name, baby?
Amelie.
Amelie. And
Yeah.
where you from?
The Bronx.
The Bronx.
Yep.
But you Dominican. Everybody Dominican.
Yes.
So she had the jerk chicken. So I want you to tell the audience what you think. Just relax, take as much time as you want. No pressure here. This is your home.
I've been to Jamaica and this tastes like from Jamaica, straight from Jamaica. It's
hear
so
that?
good. It's so authentic. It's really good. Yeah.
That is the point. You guys need to hear the point. She said,
Yeah.
I've been to Jamaica and I tasted
Yeah.
and this is so authentic, similar, if not whatever else
If
she
not
wants
better,
to say.
yeah.
If not better.
Yeah.
I have I'm gonna show you something before I come to the gentleman. I'm gonna put this on film. This is Tracy Porter, okay? Tracy Porter will come in with his crew. He signed my book. All right. When he comes, he gets 2 jerk chicken. This is Tracy Porter's signature right here. This is him, and this is him. He said, "Tracy Porter, my new favorite place," and he signed. So this is no joke. All right. So what I do is authentic. So wherever you go, whatever you hear, it doesn't mean anything to
Hold
me.
on. Tell Tracy Porter to call me.
All right. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get in touch with his people and tell him to give you a call. You make sure you give me his number. Give me your number. And my brother, what's your name?
What's up? I'm Louis.
Louis. You
From Brooklyn.
From Brooklyn, New York. We're in Brooklyn.
Flatbush area.
So you come from the heart of where the excuse me, por favor, por favor. Va ocupado ahí. Wow.
Gracias.
So you come from where Jamaican food is a foundation in Brooklyn. So he had the jerk chicken.
Gotta go with the jerk.
Tell them what you think about the jerk. Don't be afraid.
Look, jerk chicken, I've been to Jamaica with it. I can say it's good.
There you go.
New York, it's all right.
Yeah,
Here,
you hear what he said? Uh-huh.
here,
Uh-huh.
this is Jamaica away from Jamaica.
There you go.
Yeah.
And guys, this is not a coincidence he said that. Everybody tells me
You
that.
gotta come to Mosha's.
Thank you.
#1 on TripAdvisor. Show him that too.
Yes, right? Yeah,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Listen, I don't like to show off, and I don't boast or propose to be the best. I prefer the customer do the test like this. These lovely people right here. You hear what he said? He said it all in just one sentence. He been to Jamaica, taste Jamaica food, but this, look at his expression. Look at their expression, guys.
Dig in.
So I'll let them eat. For those of you who are lucky enough to see this video, God bless you. I hope you get to experience what they have experienced. Guys, blessed love. I thank you very much. I'm going to get all three of you in this picture. Blessed love. Say bye to the people.
Bye, and don't be afraid to play with the heat.
Yeah.
It opens you up.
He said, you hear what he said? Don't be afraid of the heat.
Yeah.
It was hot for her.
Yeah. But it's good.
And look at this.
Hot.
Look
Not
at
that
that.
hot. It's a good hot.
Guys, I'm not boasting. What I'm telling you, God has given me a gift. I'm not a chef. I cook with soul. I cook with spirit. One more thing I must tell you guys. If you come here with a bad attitude and complain about prices, I'm not going to cook for you. You will just hear me say one thing. Food is finished.
Period.
I don't have any food. If you come here with no attitude, I cook for normal people like these, humble people. I don't come for people. I don't cook for people who come here with this arrogance, like, oh, I taste Jamaican food. This better be good. My food is not. You know, that's what they say.
They're not welcome.
No, exactly. I don't cook for those type of people. So if you're a normal person, a normal regular customer, hungry, want some food, you come. If you sit down, chill, 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, your food is out.
Really
Play some domino with this domino table that I made.
Yep.
I made this table. All right.
Not only is a food authentic, handmade,
Yeah.
done it himself.
That's
Cooks,
right.
He builds.
I do my stuff. I make my furniture. But guys, I must say, blessed love, Mosha, peace out. And if you can't say anything positive to people or anybody, don't say anything, because the positive words you put out into the ether is an electrical energy, and that will go out and come right back at you in a different form. So say good things. Even if you hate the person, practice in your heart to say good things. Don't spit venom at nobody, because you're not spitting it at nobody but yourself. Blessed love. Peace out.
Peace out.
Cut.
Yeah.
Thank God. 'cause I'm